Marzipan. Let's do it together. Marzipan, one of the most wanted dessert. Everybody love it. We will make it from A to Z. Easy recipe and taste is amazing. And you can mold it any shape you want. So easy. You can add it your own flavor, essence, or the color, and you can make it whatever you want. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes in my YouTube channel. Over than 400 video, everything about pastry, plated dessert, chocolate, ice cream, pâte fruit, all mousse and ice cream. Please have a search in my video and you will enjoy. So easy recipe. 130 gram of almond, 85 gram of sugar, 28 gram of water, and 40 gram of honey. If you don't have honey, you can use glucose or tourmaline. By the way, if you want to know how to do tourmaline, I will leave the link in description box below. In my YouTube channel, you will find how to make very easy tourmaline. In beginning, we grind the almond. And if you have almond flour, it will be so easy. I use homemade kitchen process. Just blend it to be soft. Here we go. Don't mix over than 30 seconds because we don't need to turn the almond to paste. You can see slowly becomes powder. Now you can check. We use strainer. In the same times, we boiling 185 gram sugar, 28 gram water, 40 gram honey or glucose or tourmaline. We boiling to reach 118 Celsius. We strain the almond flour and the leftover we mix it again to be soft. Very important, the flour will be very fine, and the leftover we blend it again till we reach the amount we need. But if easy for you, you can buy a ready-made almond flour. It will much be easy for you. 118 Celsius we remove from the stove and then we pour on top of the almond. Just use a kitchen process. It's very important to have a good type of kitchen process. Must be strong kind. I prefer to use RoboCup. It takes almost 1 minute and you have very nice soft almond paste or marzipan. Now you can add your own flavor or you want it plain. We just mix it together. We knead it for 1-2 minutes and then your dough is ready. Because it's hot, stretch on the table, but we remove it as you see. It's very easy to mold it. Now we roll it in plastic film. We keep it room temperature for 1 day to be soft and cold, and then you can use it any recipe you want. You can make lenser cake, you can cover your wedding cake, and you'll have very tasty almond paste. Please have a look in my YouTube channel. You will find a lot of video about ice cream, how to make chocolate. And thank you again to being in my channel. Ahmed Younes.